you guys, I am so excited. I know I start every video out that way, pretty much every video, but today is super special because this is a collaboration video. I am doing this with Southern Mom, Nikki. We both have a birthday in May. Her birthday is the day I'm filming, May 2nd, and my birthday is May 5th, so we're posting this video in between. But anyways, just want to say happy birthday, Nikki. I love you so much. Like I said, we did a birthday gift swap, so we both sent each other a FabFitFun box full of stuff, and her box is so heavy. It says the weight on here. Like when I first lifted it up, when I saw it outside, I expected it to be like light. It could barely pick it up because I'm weakling. It's over 10 pounds. So this is like jam-packed with stuff. So she already opened what I got her. I hope she loved it. She said she did, but I feel like just judging by how heavy this is and how excited she was to send it, she might have totally beat me with this, but I'm just so excited. So if you guys do not know Southern Mom, she also does a bunch of unboxings like I do, and she gets a lot of boxes I do not get, and her videos are so fun. So if you have not checked her out, please do so. I will leave her link down in the description box, and thank you so much, Nikki. I am so excited to see what you got me. So let's get started. Before we begin, just want to do my little spiel. I have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on that ends May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. It is open international. So I will also leave a link to my giveaway down in the description box, so check that out as well if you have not yet already. Alright, I got the box open, and oh my god, it is full of stuff. And I see there's some things even for my little cat babies. And look at this cute card. There is a cat on it. Nikki told me, yeah, she forgot to fill it out, which is so okay. This is so cute. It says warm wishes and fuzzy wishes and for a fun and happy birthday. Oh, thank you. This is so full of stuff. You are so sweet. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I see, this is, oh my god, I told her I wanted one of these. Alright, I don't have any. I think we've had this discussion before, but this is so cute. This is one of those like cute headbands. I think she got one like Boxy Lux or something. I didn't, and I thought they were so cute, and this is adorable. Okay, let me get this out so I can show you. Where are my scissors? I'm like, how did you find this? This is perfect. So it's got little cat ears so I can wear it when I am doing my makeup. So I know some people have asked for some videos of me like actually trying on makeup, so you will see these soon. Oh my god, thank you. That is adorable. And then there's some like catnip stuff, like Temptations. My cat they all love these Temptations. There's a bag full of them. They are fatties. I have to bribe them inside every night with Temptations. I'm not even kidding. This is a brand I use, so they are going to love this. Thank you so much. And thank you for your help bribing my cats inside at night, because it is a struggle sometimes. Oh my god, yes. There's cat ears too. There's so much stuff in here, girl. Like, what? These are so cute. Oh my god. Like, yes. I love these. You already went above and beyond. Oh my god. Here is, how'd you find so much cat stuff? This is a Cat Bath & Body Works cat air freshener visor clip. What does it smell like? Oh my god, this smells good. It doesn't even have a fragrance disc in it? Do I smell something else? I think maybe you, let's see. I don't know what I'm smelling, but it smells good. Here is a notepad that says choose happy. Oh, and it has a magnet on the back. That is so cute. You guys, there's so much stuff in here. I can't get over it. You are too nice. There's some sheet masks, which I love. This is a Hydrofirm lace collagen sheet mask. Cool. Look at, you can see how it is actually lacy. And then this one is a watermelon sheet mask, and I love watermelon like everything. Awesome. Oh my god, is this what made it so heavy? I'm just gonna take this out now because it caught my eye. There is some wine. You know I love wine so much. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm like, cheers to you on your birthday with this. And then it looks like there's a wine glass too that says Fur Mama on it. How cute. I am a Fur Mama. On Mother's Day, I don't know if you could see that, but on Mother's Day, like, I can't remember, I was like, I think it was when I opened the Balzano Mother's Day package. So, like I said, I wasn't a mom because I got mom jewelry, and people are like, yes you are. I'm like, you're right, I am a fur mama. This is so cute, thank you. Yeah, this is adorable. What is this? This This is In the Stars. This is like a perfume and body cream by Bath & Body Works. This is so cute. Thank you so much. I love stuff like this. I can't wait to use it. I use body cream and perfume every single day. I love fragrance, so thank you so much. Seriously, you found some gems. Sorry, I gotta go. My cat needs me. That is like the truth. Someone was asking if I wanted to like go out tomorrow night. I was like, you know, I can't. My cat will need me. She's getting spayed. Oh my god, so cute. It's on both sides too. This is so cute, and I love coffee so much, so I will definitely use this all the time. Oh, this is probably what I sent. Here's or smelt. The scent I smelt. This is a scent portable Bath & Body Works Tiki Beach. So you put this inside the little cat hair freshener. Oh my god, I need to put that in my car because I have to go to the post office after this. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Look at these earrings. I love jewelry lately. I've said that in recent videos, so I love these. They're so pretty. You did so much. Oh my god. I like owe you a million different things because my box did not have this much stuff. Nikki, this is a ColourPop palette. The Soul palette. I didn't even show you guys outside. I'm like so overwhelmed. You're so sweet. These are so pretty. These are perfect for warm weather months. Look at it. It's like a warm palette, but there's also some like pink and pretty glitters in there. I love ColourPop shadows. You are so sweet. Oh my god. I see some ColourPop like singles too. Oh my god. So there's some Super Shock shadows. You are so nice. Oh, does this one have a cat on it? Catitude. this shadow is called Catitude. Oh my god. This is so pretty. It's like a pretty shimmer, like a champagne shimmer. This is by NKLA and ColourPop, so it must have been one of their million collaborations. I never heard of Catitude. You found such good stuff. Oh my god. Bubbly. This is such a pretty pink. Should I swatch these for you guys? I'll swatch them after I show you these three. Super Shock Cheek. This is in Churro. Awesome. So I love ColourPop. I'm not going to swatch all the shades in the palette or I'll be just covered, but I will show you for sure these. So here's the bubbly shade. Super pretty. I have a few of these ColourPop Color Shock, or what are they called? I can never say it. Super Shock shadows. I got them in like the mystery bag. This is so cute. Oh, Nikki's actually on my Fitbit right now. I finally put my Fitbit back on. And she said, I blame you, or something. I think it's because we were just shopping online together. Well, not really together, but you know what I mean. And we bought some stuff because, you know, it's our birthdays. We deserve it. Oh my god, I don't want to get rid of this box. It's so cute. Catitude. I can't get over it. Oh, good. On the actual packaging, it has a little, like, cat face. How cute. I know it's shiny, so you guys might not be able to see that well, but this is just awesome. I can't believe you. I'm sending you more gifts because I did not. You went above and beyond. This is so pretty. I hope you guys can see. Oh my god. I can't get over this. You're too nice. And you know exactly what I like. This one's cool looking. It's like, it has an ombre effect. It's, oh my gosh. So creamy. It's crazy how creamy that is. All these are like so smooth. They went on so well. Oh my god, I can't get over it. I'm just covered in glitter now. So here is, looks like there's a necklace. This is super cute. I love it. Oh my god, Nikki, there's so much stuff in here. Candle waxes. Love candle everything. This is White Strawberry Bellini. Yum. Is that by Yankee Candle? Yeah, nice. And this is Yas Queen. Adore Scented Wax Melts. Awesome. I'm like running out of space. There's so much steam in here. What are these? Oh my god, are these cat magnets? Or cat coasters? Keep your vehicle's cup holders dry from beverage drips and condensation. I never heard of these. It's such a good idea. My cup holders are gross and look, there's cats on them. Where did you find this stuff? This is amazing. Oh my gosh. There's some bath bombs. Love a good bath bomb, and I love the vanilla and coconut scent so much. Oh, this is so cute. It says, this wine is making me awesome. Where am I gonna put this? Should I put this somewhere in here or downstairs? Nikki, this is never ending. I owe you like a million things. Home is where the cat is. This is adorable. Where did you get all this stuff? I love it. This is perfect. Here are some Lindor, or is that how you say it? Lindor truffles or whatever. These are so good. Yum. And there's a bunch of these little chocolates in here, like a bunch. Like, thank you. I just started a diet today. No, I'm just kidding. That's awesome. Oh my God, here's another little thing. It says meow. This is seriously never ending. Oh, and there's more color pop in here. What? Okay, I think we're getting towards the end. Let me see. There's a bunch of the chocolates. I won't take all those out. So there is the birthday wishes by Bath & Body Works. Their antimicrobial thing. I love this stuff. I always have some on me in my purse. And there's 2 more ColourPop items. Oh my God, Nikki. Okay, so this is another Super Shock Shadow in Cosmic Charge. Pretty. You're too good to me. Too good. This is gorgeous like the others. Oh my God. Okay, I think I wiped off most of the glitter on my hand. So that'll be the darkest one on there. Oh my God, these are all so pretty. I hope it's translating on camera. And then we have an ultra matte lip, and this is in Wild Nothing. I was just watching a declutter video when they're like going through all their ColourPop lippies, and they kept them all, and this is so pretty. It's like so my color. Oh my gosh. I love like a mauve nude. Ooh, that's a little dark. I like it. That is so pretty. Nikki, you did so well. I can't believe, like, how did you even fit all that in that box? This is like the best birthday present I've ever received in my entire life. You are such a sweet friend. I love you so much. I feel like I owe you so much more. Your box, nothing compares to this box. Like, this is the best present ever. But yeah, I love you so much. Thank you. You just like made my life. Like, you are the best friend. Thank you so much. You guys, seriously, go show Nikki some love. She deserves it. She is such a beautiful person. I love her so much. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me and celebrating our birthdays with us. Go watch her video to see what I got her on her channel. Definitely not as good as this box. Nothing beats this box. You are so sweet. I cannot get over it. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.